Hello guys, my name is Sagar. That in this lecture we will learn how to use selection. Selection means you will learn how to use if, how to use if else, how to use nested if. So first all of you, I will explain that how to use if. So normally I will say that if this condition I will take the true, then I will print that hello. So this stuff I will run it. Okay. So okay, fine. So this is stuff is run. But I want add one more statement. Here I will mention here by. Then once again I will run this stub. So once again you will get held on by, because these stubs this if is true, then this statement is run. If this if is true, then this stubs. But I want false this condition. Then once again I will run this stub. So you will see that the one stub is run. If once again I will make change some changes, so I will do this condition, and once again I will follow this condition. So you will understand if your condition is false, so that times does not your execute your statement. So whenever you talk about if condition, so normally you can take the example of odd number. So I will take the int n is equal to 5. So when you will check that number is even or odd, so you have you have some logic. So how to find out your even odd number? So that times you will use the mod concept. So mod concept is understand which value having remainder or not. So first I will check the n is less than 5 percent d to is equal to 0. So stuff is even. If stuff is odd, so this statement is run. So odd. So how to check that your value is not equal to reminder is not equal to 0? So that times do this stuff. I will run this stuff. So you will have odd number, right? If you will change some here, you will take some even number. So once again you will check that. So even number. So very simple that your condition is true, then it's statement is used. But I am taking that 0. So does not understand this number is even, this number is odd. So what happens? How to check that? So very simple. You can add one more things. N is equal to 0. So that times you will mention that nothing. Then you will use else condition. So you have understand this stuff. Then like that. This if once again you have else condition. So once again you will run this stuff. So you will get nothing if you will take 3 values. So that times you have odd number values. If you will change 6, so you will get even number. Okay, so normally if condition having one statement, but you want one more statement, you will add here. I'm adding here, and I mention here once again by. So that times you will take a error. So always remember that you will add one more statement. If so, that times you will take the curly bracket, right? So so many people's is taken that one statements curly brackets, it's fine, but stuff is going on increasing. You want one more, then you will add curly bracket like that. Okay, so you will check that once again. Even then I will take 0, nothing. So hopefully you can understand. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe it.